Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing part 2 of my unboxing for the Dark Curse subscription box. You can purchase these subscription boxes off the Little Boutique website under the alternative subscriptions tab. Everything will be down below in the information box. So I'm getting a really strong scent again, so I'm assuming there's going to be some incense or something in here. So let's go straight for the cauldron oil burner. Oh, that's cute. I literally think I need to add a cute counter on every single one of my bloody videos. So that's a nice little oil burner. Pop it in the top, put a candle in, and off you go. Just make sure that if you ever do use these, that you use them responsibly and don't leave them unattended. Lots of bubble wrap. So we've got another candle. Last time we had a red one. So it just smells like wax. So just your average pillar candle. So we've got 2 wax melts. That one smells like bubble gum. That smells good. And that one smells like is it jasmine or something? There's also some incense cones in here. That's probably what that very strong smell was. I'm not sure what they are. Next is a pin badge. I can't remember what this cross is. I'm pretty sure it's an Egyptian cross. I could be completely wrong. But as I said before in the first video, I'm interested in witchy stuff, but I do not practice it. I do not know anything about it except for like local witch hunts and things. So there's only 3 items left in this box, and one of them is going to be the riddle, so I'll leave that till last. Looks like a necklace. I personally am not sure what that is, and I'm not very keen on it. And the last item is in this box, and it's a little crystal ball. That's cute. That can go on my curiosity shelf. Do you have what it takes to break the curse? I have Newt Toa Frog to help you cast your spell. Instead, we have included these to make a better smell. A silver chain, the crackles do part. How many break the twisted heart? In your hand, a sphere to hold. How many colours in this, but no pot of gold? So that is the riddle for this month's box. And the items are a cauldron wax burner, jasmine cracker wax melt, got it right, bubble gum wax melt, crystal orb, Ankh pin badge. That's it, Ankh, is that how you pronounce it? Twisted black heart necklace, incense candles. Postage is free, and the box retails at £32.95 and the box costs £20. The box was okay, but the best item in here was definitely the oil burner. Whether I think it's worth £20, I'm not sure. The first box was better, but it depends on whether you're into this sort of mystery box. I preferred the trick or treat box personally, so it's kind of hard to say until you start buying them, because one month you're going to get a good box, another month you might get a box that you don't like any of the products inside. Like pillar candles I don't use, pin badges I do collect, crystals I do collect, and the wax melts I can definitely use. It is a okay box. Let me know what you think of the box in the comments. If you are new here, make sure that you like and subscribe if you want to see more of me. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Take care of yourselves and don't forget to stay spooky.